Hey guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Tanya, and in today's video we will be applying a paste that I made from fenugreek, neem, henna, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. I have made a video relating to how to make it, so if you want to see that, I will link it. Go ahead, check that out, and possibly come back to this video or watch this video first, whichever you please. As you can see in this video, I will be using my hand to apply this paste. Try not to do that because there's henna in this mix. Your fingers, your hand could get dyed. So to prevent that, just wear a glove, okay? And also you can make this a little thicker. Mine is a little runny. It doesn't have to be like that. So apply a little bit more paste, a little bit more powder to make it a little bit thicker. So henna is used to add shine, luster, and strength to your hair. Incorporating fenugreek into your hair care routine may help reduce hair loss, stimulate hair growth, addresses dandruff, scalp inflammation, and reviving damaged hair. You're losing your hair, you want to put some fenugreek in your routine. Neem is actively cleanses and strengthens hair follicle. It increases blood circulation in the scalp and it gives a strong and healthier root. Grapeseed oil is also going to give you a lot of moisture as well onto the scalp and onto the follicles. It provides a lot of moisture and it aids with frizz as well. Also going to protect your hair from the environment. Almond oil has a lot of moisture in it, so it's going to moisturize the scalp and strands, leading to healthy, smooth hair that has a soft texture.
Just washed my hair out, and don't let this thing get in your eye because of the small particles that are in there. It's going to be a little tricky to get them out, so don't let it get in your eye. But I washed it out with conditioner and it's really soft. Looks really shiny. I don't know if you can see it, but very shiny. Definitely recommend, definitely try it out. And it's not needed, but because I like my hair to be hydrated, I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration, and and then I'm going to style my hair.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear.
This is what I use to grow my own hair, my cousin's hair, my mom's hair, and now my husband is actually, venturing off into using my product as well because he's a guy, they don't really take care of themselves as well as women do. And I know that you can grow your hair as well. So shop below, Naturally Tea. Thank you in advance and watch your hair grow. This wash and go was so bomb. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.